In the next 2 minutes, you will know how to completely use every aspect of the Stairmaster machine. These two things I'm pointing at are basically little step-ups that you can use for yourself. This is a good view of the Stairmaster, so it won't move when you first start. That's the first thing I want you to realize. So you can step your foot up, it will not move at all, okay? There's a little spot up here for your keys and water bottle. You can toss it there. As you can see here, lots of buttons. That is a green start button, red stop button. We'll usually have something like that on one of the handles for you. Sometimes there's also another stop button on the side that I was just showing you there. These two things right here, you put your hands on and they will essentially share your heart rate to the monitor. As you can see on the monitor, we have lots of buttons. The green quick start button will be a good start as well, or you can use the start as I showed right here. It doesn't really matter, depends on your preference. There's another stop or red button on there as well. Once you start or press the quick start button, it will usually take a few seconds and then it will go at the slowest setting. Be careful because these steps are not as wide as like a normal good staircase. So you can go fast on these, but it is something to be aware of that it just isn't quite as normal. And there are times when I do go fast on this where I have like gone way back, okay? On that left there, you see that button I'm pressing. That actually is pressing the level up, usually on one. Now we're going down. Usually there will be a plus or a minus button on the other handle where you can adjust it on the setting there. You can also usually adjust the setting on the actual machine as well. I just stopped it there, but also remember you can stop it there on that button side as well. And again, under that handle on the right side, there is sometimes some as well. Nice and easy, step down one at a time here. You can use these extra handles if you're uncomfortable. I think it would be a good idea when you're out on this too, to go up on the machine, step all the way up, and then step up all the way down. It's just kind of an extra precaution.